bull or a cow? Are cows aggressive? Like, oh my god, like I was just walking through this back path and like I see this cow just looking right at me like, yeah, what? But I don't think cows are aggressive, are they? Like, is it okay for me to just go? Like yesterday when I came, this wasn't here, but now it's here, so I have to like just walk over. But is this okay? Is this safe? No, I think they're actually tied to something, yeah? Look. But my friend, he's right there, so all I need to do is just go across. Either that or go all the way around. I thought I could take a shortcut. Whoa, we're gonna find out. Like, I'm like, can I make it? And then this YouTube video will be posted like 2 weeks later. Did she make it? If I make it, if this YouTube video is posted, duh, I made it. But if not, I got eaten by the cow. I think it's okay. I don't think cows run. I mean, I don't know. I've never seen a cow running. I know it's a bull. Wait, is this a cow or a bull? I know bulls are like... No, he's just chilling though. I don't think he's thinking about me. But then I have to kind of go like... He's there, then I have to go like this. I think I'll be okay. I think he's tied. I think he's tied, but I don't know because there was no cow there yesterday. Hold on, I'm gonna call my friend. My friend lives here, so I'm just gonna. I'm going to my friend's house. But look, the sun is out today. I'm so freaking happy. I'm gonna knock on his door, see if he's awake. Be like, let's go get food. Food. I think it's okay. I think it's fine. I don't even need to call him. I'm pretty sure it's fine. I don't think they're just gonna start like running towards me. Are they tied? I'm not trying to get like death by a cow. Like, I did not travel the world. I'm pretty sure it's okay. I'm just gonna go. I think it's okay. I think it's fine. I don't think he's worried about me. It's not like a dog and a dog is like, I think it's okay. Oh my god, he's looking at me. Now he's turned around. Whoa, I've never been this close to a cow before. They're so big. They're not gonna do anything if they think I'm like... Ah! Sorry, hey, don't worry, I'm just... Damn it, I cut my foot. What if he just like ran up behind me? Ew, look at the cow poop. Ew. Ew, wow, cows poop so much. Ew. I don't want to step in cow poop. I feel like, what if he's just like, boom, and he like runs up on me? Got you. No, it's okay. Okay. Walking to my friend's house. Okay. Oh, here's a banana. I'm gonna eat a banana.
Oh yeah. So now they have to make all the money with the cheap line. They have to do some real business getting money. Not only those.
Whoa!
What's this?
A fern?
Do you see the leaf?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see the pink one.
No.
Ow, ow, ow. Why are they so strong?
Because they're standing still in their home.
Ow, ow, ow. Are they poisonous?
Keep moving. Then
That's worse than a mosquito bite.
water is too deep now.
I'm gonna try and take a nice photo on my tripod, but I have to hurry up because the ants are like crazy, massive, huge, and hungry. I never met a biting ant before. I've never got bit by an ant. What's up there? It's pretty interesting being on an island where there's nobody here. It's a restaurant, but the restaurant's completely abandoned. Everything is abandoned. And we have the whole waterfall to ourselves. You can get all the pictures and everything that you want. But it's just super rainy. It's kind of. Super crazy. And all these bungalows. It's like this little restaurant in the middle of the garden. So you can go up all the zip lines, towers, because there's no one here.
Except you have to get used to this noise, you know?
The noise is so calming.
Imagine that you're one of those birds soaring over the Himalayas, and you look down and you see a man.
On the motorbike, yeah.
And you look down and you see a man. And he's sewing. He's sewing and he's happy and he's thinking of nothing but the surroundings about him and what he's doing, and his activity at the time. You are that man
Okay,
when you're in your boat.
right here. Yeah. But you can hold it like up a little. So you can see the top of the tree. jumps is fun.
It's not too far for me. It's not too high for me.
Really?
Yeah, if the water is deep.
Yeah, if the water is deep, but this isn't too high. Yeah, it is. Cambodia. I miss you, Cambodia. I just fell on the bike, but I didn't get hurt. Just a little muddy. My butt is muddy.
You know the bridge there?
What bridge? Here?
No, in Don to Don Det. They use and then they bring it to Don Det. Like a boat, fixed with the very big boats. Ships. They put it here and they drive it all the way to Don Det and then they put it down because they cannot go through the waterfall. So that's why they built this. Get the boat out from the water and they went all the way to Don Det.
Yay for Cambodia. Whoa, I look like a dark caramel chocolate Hershey. Cambodia! Yay for Cambodia. I want to go to Cambodia so much. I miss Siem Reap and Phnom Penh and Gimpo. So now we're just going. So now we're just going for some fruit shake. Cambodia. You put gas on it?
Yeah.
Gasoline? Petrol? On your open wound? We have to stay now.
Very nice. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah.
It's so pretty. No, actually I think my camera is fucked up a little.
But what used to get me home was seeing that. I'd walk, I got to a certain point which was so dark and I would see it.
Yeah.
And I would tell them about it. And if you look at the actual constellation, you can't really see all of the stars now, but probably that one up there, like orange, you look at one, maybe the one past that is part of the constellation. But it's an archer. And there's the belt and there's a few stars which you can't even see at all because of the moon.
Yeah.
That forms like the sword that hangs from his belt, and then his leg, and then his bow. And it's a beautiful constellation. But what used to get me home was not knowing what that was, but seeing a kite every night. Seeing the kite. So if I get a tattoo about a star, I'm driving now, you good?
Yeah.
Yep.
The sky is so beautiful.